guys, good afternoon. This is Angel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to make an orange chicken and I'll show you all the ingredients and the procedure how to make this meal. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe with the notification bell so that you will be notified in every time I post a video to my channel. So without any further delay, let's start. And now we're gonna marinate the chicken thigh, and I cut this into cubes so that it will be easy to cook. So for now, we're gonna put a half of orange zest, and a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and also a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And we're gonna mix this. And we're gonna marinate this for 30 minutes. So that the taste or the texture of our spices will absorb into the chicken. Into the chicken meat. So they're already fully coated. So we can cover this with a cling wrap. And marinate for 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes of marination, we're gonna put some cornstarch, one-fourth cup of cornstarch, and we're gonna mix them until they are fully coated. So we're gonna fry the chicken. We're gonna wait until our oil is warm enough before we're gonna fry our chicken. And now our oil is warm enough already, so we can put our chicken. So we're gonna fry them for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, guys, we're gonna flip them. And then after we're gonna flip all of them, we're gonna fry it again for 2 minutes. And we're gonna set the timer again for another 2 minutes. And then we're gonna cook after that with a sauce. So the 2 minutes is already done, and we're gonna remove this from the pan, transfer into a plate with kitchen paper. So now guys, we're gonna use the same pan, and I take out also the oil, and we're gonna put a 50 ml of chicken stock, and also the half of our orange zest that we used a while ago when we marinate our chicken. And orange juice, I used 2 pieces of orange juice. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. So they're already bubbling or boiling a bit. So we're gonna add this one at 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So we're gonna lower our fire, and we're gonna put the cornstarch mixture. And we're gonna put back our chicken. And we're gonna mix this until they are fully coated. So this is very simple, guys. Very simple to make an orange chicken. So just like this, and we're done. I still keep mixing them. I just want to make it sure that they are fully coated and it's totally absorbed into the chicken meat. So because this is okay now, so we're gonna transfer this into a plate. Smell orangey. In Chinese people, they say it orangey. So, and we're gonna put a sesame seed on top. And we're gonna put a small amount of spring onion as garnish. And this is my orange chicken.